Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get start today's session. So today I am going to discuss writing importance in our life. If you want to improve your English, so make sure you develop a habit of writing English. Okay, so just I want to say one thing. If you want to make yourself fluent in English, so then go to market and buy one diary and try to write down your daily routine in English in your diary, and try to read all the things which thing you write written in your diary. Okay, after reading, you somewhere you found mistake. Okay, then try to make yourself correct by your own, by yourself. Okay, and if you are doing in this thing, then I'm sure you one day you are able to speak a fluent English. So this thing is also very important part in our spoken English. If you are write something, then it is clearly directly click our mind, and this thing is permanently fixed in our mind. If we are doing somewhere mistake, and after checking our written part and we find some mistake, then our mind is in that time very alert and say yes, you are making mistake here. And like it is very effective in comparison to anything. So just try to write down uh, a single page of your daily routine, or 2 to 3 page. It's totally depend on you how much you write, and it's totally depend on your time and on your convenience. If you have more time, then try to write down more, and try to write down, make a fake story and write down that story. So you can do this thing. If I give an idea, if you are living in hostel, then try to write down some funny things and memorable moments, and some teachers, about some teachers, some, because if we are study somewhere, and there are many professors and teachers which are they who is very funny, some is very funny, so you can write about them. And yeah, you can do this thing. If you I give an idea, if you are going somewhere for travel, then try to write down your journey. Okay, and if you have some success story, uh, then you can write down your success story, or struggle, your father struggle or your mother struggle. You can write any things in English. And you have, if you try to think, then you found many matters to write down English. So it's totally depend on you. One thing is also very important: keep practicing on daily basis. Don't forget to practice. Like it's like our health. If we don't eat food one day, then it's clearly visible on our face. Like this, our spoken part or anything is like this. If you are not practicing, if you are not giving time in those things, then it clearly visible. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind, keep practicing, keep smiling, and try to make your daily routine best, and make your daily life and daily schedule better in comparison to before, before journey or past journey. It's totally depend on you. So try to do something different from other, and try to make yourself perfect in comparison to previous life. And keep smiling, keep practicing. I hope one day you can achieve everything. You have potential, you can do anything, you have ability to find anything in this world. Okay, so just uh, keep doing hard work and smart work. You have ability, you can do anything. Just trust on yourself. If you are trust on yourself, then you can do anything. So bye bye everyone, I will meet you in next video.